Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk about motivation and how I stay motivated to continue stacking. Now for those of you that have watched my channel for a while, you'll know that I've kind of slowed down a little bit on my bullion purchases lately. This year I've been buying some more premium items. I've just kind of been treating myself a little bit because I've already got quite a nice base stack. So I have slowed down a little bit and I am kind of purchasing more premium things now. However, when I was building up my base stack, sometimes it can get a bit mundane when you're just buying the same thing over and over again, whether you're just buying bars or whether you're buying the same bullion coins. Now, obviously that's the best way to get close to spot as possible, to buying tubes or monster boxes or kilogram bars. But like I said, when you're buying the same thing over and over, it is hard to stay motivated. So there's a number of tips I wanted to kind of give you in this video to help, especially the newer stackers that have maybe been stacking for a few months and they're kind of slowing down a little bit and finding it hard to get motivated. Now, a good way I found to get motivated when you're buying the same coin over and over again, whatever coin that may be, is to buy single empty tubes. Go on eBay, go on any of the bullion sites that you normally use. You'll be able to pick up these tubes for a pound, maybe £2, and just buy one of these tubes, buy one coin to start you off, put it in the tube, and there's nothing more satisfying than filling a tube to the top. And I found that is one of the best ways to stay motivated. If you're investing every single month, like I said, and you're buying the same coins over and over, the best way to get motivated is to buy a whole tube, buy whatever you can afford that month, chuck them in the tube, and just slowly add to it as and when you can. And it's such a satisfying feeling to see the tube gradually get closer and closer to the top. And then when you complete that tube, whacking the lid on it and then starting the next one. I just found that such a good way of keeping the momentum going, because it's not nice to have half filled tubes in the stack. It's nice to fill up a tube, put the lid on, add it to the stack and then go again. So that's my first tip. Buy some empty tubes, buy a couple of coins, chuck them in the tubes, and yeah, your OCD will do the rest, because you won't be happy with a few coins in the bottom of a tube. So that's my first advice to the newer stackers that are finding it hard to stay motivated when building your foundation stack. The next tip that I would say is have a little look at some of the different series that they do. So look on the Royal Mint, for example. They've currently got the Tudor Beast series, which is like a 10 coin series. I think they're up to number 3 or 4 now. And subscribe to some of those. Although you're paying a bit more of a premium because you're getting some proof coins, it keeps it exciting, because you know every few months you've got another coin come in, and it again, that motivates you, it excites you. Even if you don't sign up to the whole 10 coin series and you buy them individually, it kind of motivates you because you want to get the next one, you want to add it to your collection. So that's another good way of increasing your stack and keeping it exciting. The same as if you was to find like a bullion coin, like a kookaburra, which is kind of a bit more of a premium bullion coin. Every single year the kookaburra, they release a different design on the coin. So that's a really cool bullion coin to stack, because you know that every single year it's going to be a different design, so you're always going to want to buy it. So that's another way of keeping your stack exciting. Get some series coins, pay the premium, but it'll pay off in the long run because it will keep you motivated and keeping you adding ounces to your stack. So my third and final tip to keeping yourself motivated when building your foundation stack is to set yourself clear goals. Now you could set yourself, say, 10 ounces to add to your stack every single month, or even 5 ounces, whatever that amount is, whatever your budget allows you to do. Set your goals in ounces per month. So say to yourself, right, every single month I'm going to buy 5 ounces. And then say you get to the last week of the month and you think, right, I've only got 4 ounces. Right, what am I going to do? What coin shall I buy? I need to get the final ounce to hit that target. And that's a very, very good way of increasing your stack. Set yourself an overall goal for the year, however many ounces you want to hit in a whole year. Say it's 200 ounces you want to hit in the year, divide that by 12 and break it down into how many ounces you want to hit a month. I wouldn't recommend breaking it down any further and doing it weekly, because then it's going to cost you quite a lot in postage. It is better to do more of a bulk order, because then you kind of get more for your money and you save on postage costs as well. So definitely set yourself some goals, work out how much you can afford to put aside into silver, and then set those targets as high as you can. Even if your target is, say, I don't know, say you can afford to buy 5 ounces a month, push yourself a little bit, set your target to 7 ounces a month. And then even if you don't hit it, say you get 6 ounces, at least then you're thinking about what you're spending your money on. You're thinking to yourself, shall I go and buy that McDonald's, or shall I actually buy another ounce of silver to get close to that target? So that's my third and final tip. Set yourself clear goals. I'll be very interested to hear from those of you kind of more experienced stackers, what tips you've got for the newer stackers to keep them motivated, especially those of you that have been stacking for like 20 plus years. I'll be really interested to hear how you keep it exciting. So as always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.